Hi friends, in our previous video we have discussed so many things about revenue. So today we have to discuss about MCQ of revenue. मैं ऐसे भी पहले से आपसे प्रॉमिस की थी, मैं पहले एक टॉपिक लूँगी, उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करूँगी, फिर मैं कुछ MCQ भी आपसे पूछूँगी. नाउ पहले आप उसको पढ़ लीजिए और आंसर क्या है उसे सोच लीजिए. आप खुद को टेस्ट करना, ऑटो कैलकुलेशन, कि आप कितने सही कर रहे हैं, कितने गलती कर रहे हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू प्रोडक्ट measures the increase in. So we have discussed three types of revenue: total revenue, marginal revenue and average revenue. Here the matter is marginal revenue. Marginal revenue product measure the increase in output resulting from one more unit of labor. Second, total output resulting from one more unit of labor. Third, revenue per unit from one more unit of output. Fourth, total revenue resulting from one more unit of labor. So we discussed that marginal revenue is nothing but the change in total revenue for changing one more unit of quantity. So we know that MR is equal to change in TR divided by change in Q. So answer is total revenue resulting from one more unit of labor. Option D. The relationship between elasticity of demand, average revenue and marginal revenue is shown by the following formula. Question is the relation between the elasticity of demand E. So you have to remember Marshall-Lerner. What about the Marshall-Lerner formula? E is equal to P, which is AR, 1 minus 1 by E. So here correct option is E is equal to AR divided by AR minus MR. So relationship between the elasticity of demand, average revenue and marginal revenue is shown by the following formula, and formula number 1 is right one. Which is the other name that is given the average revenue curve? So average revenue curve, average revenue means nothing but price when there is matter of price and quantity. So it is obviously option number 2, demand curve. Which is the other name that is given to the average revenue curve? That is answer is demand curve. Question number 4. For getting total revenue, the formula is. For getting total revenue, the formula is. What is formula of total revenue? Nothing but Q into P, quantity into price. So here AR is nothing but P, P into Q. Option D. A downward shift in the market supply of a commodity results in which of the following changes in its equilibrium price and quantity? A downward shift in market supply of a commodity results in which of the following changes in its equilibrium price and quantity? So when we know that the normal thing is when price fall, the quantity rises. So here the downward shift in the market supply of a commodity. So obviously option number B is right. The price falls and the quantity rises. Friends, कुछ मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो कि बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स मेरी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, सब्सक्राइब भी कर रहे हैं. मैं कभी बोलती नहीं हूँ अपने वीडियो में मुझे सब्सक्राइब करो, मुझे लाइक करो, मैं कभी भी नहीं बोलती. आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प. मुझे जितना पता है बस उतना ही मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ. कुछ फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे ये भी रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं कि जो मेरी साउंड है, मेरी आवाज़ है, उनको कड़वी बहुत लगती है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर से सो, बट आई वांट टू बी हेल्प यू, नथिंग मोर. थैंक यू.